Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer. Today I am going to show how we can use this OpenAI Codex. So let's go to this beta.openai.com. Just go to this portal and you will see this visual on a home page. But before that you have to do your login sign up to enter on this home page, and here you can see all this text completion. So go to code completion, and then in code completion here you will get to see some documentations. So you must read, it will help you to know the exact whole features. Always it is better to read documentations. So yeah, you can see, as you can see, these are some of the syntaxes. Also here we can write mysql queries, javascript codes as well. So yeah, you can explore it by your own. And just you can see codex javascript sandbox here. So just go to the try it out and click on it to open the javascript sandbox, and here you will see the sandbox. So on this sandbox, just what we have to do, just you can see here provide instruction. Only we have to give instructions and we will get a codes, all the codes of those instructions on our right side. And in this the main screen we will get the output. So let's type create a clock in a javascript and just click on this green icon, and let's see what's we are getting. So yeah, let's see, automatically we are getting a comment of our instruction and the codes are start writing by their own. Man, look at these codes, how quickly we are getting this code. Just if you want to edit it, just go to editor option and edit it. As you see the output, we are getting a digital clock right now, 6:51:33. So yeah, we are getting a digital clock. Now check something else. Create a analog clock using javascript, and let's see we are getting analog, proper analog clock or not. Because if we, as a coder, if we are going to create analog clock by our own, then definitely it is going to take a at least half an hour, and also lots of concept functions are applied, some css. So it's not that easy for everyone. But here we you can see how quickly we are getting a bunch of codes, all these functions so efficiently. So that's the power of this codex javascript sandbox. So it is also, you can say, the part of OpenAI, where we are using the ChatGPT, same similar, and in the same platform we are using this as well, as I saw earlier. So as you can see, we are getting all those functions of. So you can see how beautiful we are getting a proper analog working clock with a full of CSS as well. And look at this, man. Even a proper coder will also take at least 4 times or more than that as compared to codex. Nice. And you can see we are getting all these codes. If you want to use this code, just copy the code, scroll it, copy it, and paste in your own editor where you want to use it. So definitely it is going to help all full stack developer or non developer as well to explore, to get some sort of coding parts and then use it in your own project. So click on clear all, everything will be clear, and then here codex is ready to explore something new. So let's search something related to SQL. Create a table with student mark list. Just I give a student no data. So you can see here automatically tables are going to create, and we are getting data as well. Right now AI is assuming by their own. So let's see. Oh man, you can see we are getting name, math, subject, proper row and column with full of data. So let's add something more in it just to test. Add filter in this table, and let's see we are getting a filter, working filter or not. You can see what instruction we are giving. We are getting the code in right side, and we are getting the filter. Just it's working as well, fine, in a one go. So you can see how efficient and powerful this AI is. So maybe definitely in future this is going to shock everyone. So add some design in this table, and let's see we are getting some design. Now we see a proper table in a proper table design, and let's add some design in filter as well. So yeah, we are getting the code, and you now filter is also like in a more design form as compared to the other. So this is how we can use all these SQL queries as well here. So it is very useful, man. No comments, very useful. Just clear and just type, just to get what we are getting right now here. Create a 2023 calendar using JavaScript. It is not necessary to mention that HTML CSS, but automatically it will pick. But if you want, then it's your choice. So as you see, we are getting some things. So yeah, basically, and what I analyze is right now we are getting in a raw manner. So let's wait and watch. After applying CSS, after getting CSS code, we are getting in this form proper. This is just a layout form right now in, but you can build it completely as well by using a bunch of codes. So we are getting a proper CSS design. So for more tutorials, just do subscribe the AI prompt engineer. I am going to bring some more tutorials for everyone. So thank you and have a nice day.